we have mince. Buff mince. What is buff mince? We don't know. Turns out, actually, it's buffalo. Even though it's advertised kind of as beef, it's actually buffalo. 295 rupees for 250 grams. So that's about $3.50 US. It is. So today we are going to attempt to turn this into a decent hamburger. Where you get it from online, I found this company, Mitigo, and they deliver right to your door. You just go online, order it, a couple of hours later or the next day they give you a delivery window, and Bob's your uncle. It's delivered. It's actually delivered frozen, which is quite impressive because you can't even get anything from the supermarket here to come back and be frozen. So let's have a go and see what it's like. Okay, now the one scary bit when I just did that and mixed it all together using the recipe from Delish was in the middle of the meat there's a piece of plastic. That would be fun, wouldn't it? I don't know where it came from, but in the middle of it all, the minced or the ground meat, there's plastic. Nice. So now I got homemade rolls that I made last week and frozen using another recipe. Because getting rolls here, they're just nasty, they are. But this is a much nicer roll. So now I've got to make the patty to make that, the fun bit. So I've got no idea. Will the fat one be better? Will the skinny one be better? And I got a little one left over for a slider, I suppose. So I suppose the best idea is just to throw it in the fridge, see what happens next when I grill it. The same. Now I found their recipe. The light fell off. Let us now the patty. Onion. Put it together. And fries. Now, let's try this thing. Mmm.